Nasi. Nakuya.
CJ. Fiala. Fiala so the one I can no pay say is a weekend no na say so still you can do something when you want to do something.
Oh then you not simakra to me the name be.
Oh lovely.
Simakra name the be no.
Simakra to me name be. Ehu here. All work and no play. It do baby na no pe no wape baby dey egu kakra.
Akuya no out in kwa for me nka. Dem kumni nifa. And
I say obi aka che o say ade we de menye o hye ne ho so man tumi anhye o mo so. NDC ni MPP nyina. We ye nyina ye nim say
ya wa yadem yi ku ya mo me ntwe na yade free so ya ma no say.
Onyo mo an o beka he.
Say afa de o maties wo say ye.
Say omo ntumi kura antwen.
Wo say ye.
But one point ni say CJ. Say ye ntumi enhu sa yade we ne pomasibre. Ye ntumi enhu yade we pomasibre. Na say ye jejai. Na ye ka say ye be ye registration. Ye ka say ye beto aba. Ye ka say ye nkoye nnwuma so se ne ye ne dada no a. Na ye hu niema ne ye yakoto aba. Ayi mpanimfo a woni yanim. Muso a muti opposition. Muso no, you have a responsibility. As a responsible opposition parties no. All the other political parties no. Say aban we COVID-19 ko na ye ko no. Aban we ni enim say yato aba no e de tumi ama won. Eso ni omu ye nyina no. Obia was taking it. So we opposition party o. So we aban a wutimo. Ye hwe ni obia ye sije. Ye ntumi nkonko gina ye ntumi nkoto santen. Say ye koto aba de amamo abedi ye so. Na woni ebeda ka asakesiem abeda ka asakesiem. Wa abra ye hu ntoto ye papa mudi egu akwanfo sa yade. Wa abra ye hu ne mu opposition fo. Moso mo yade aboa ma yade na koso no. They will shout and shout and shout. Yes we nim ne be ye.
Ne em nwa kra ne say na wotwe ye abato hu nsem free abebom masisi ade. Kamia sa fa no nyina no. And somewhere for COVID-19 hu de nyina ya cha. And let's say
because CJ the number, looking at the number and looking at where we are going, no. She say, oh, ye bibia.
Debbie,
we are not done.
Debbie,
ye me yo.
If you say, and then last week Friday, na hey, omega so ye peak, ye do ye peak level. And you can say, yeah, cases in the crowd, and now the Baba Kahumbu.
Evans Mensa won interviewer on a doctor in Siasare, ye. Doctor in Siasa, man on Kuntabu be fire, dear no. Send ye besia cononis and so beba, what tell you 10 no, and I say yes, Auntie as and for on fast interview into Honey and Shadi. On fast tape no, any interview in the BBano. And some of Dr. Siasa are kind, and CJ Unim, epidemiologists or more my yes, epidemiologists at the end, no. They know what is going to happen, and they know near ya dear way, baby, answer say ye drew yen ruo. And until nay no, baby, I drew no much me fa a bra ye shassie. The number of cases at this shassie, 2 no. Sabre no, near Omokama Yakuma toy yemne say imported cases. But Omoka saying no Mokama ni besi say drew community spread noa, and ye drew ho. Ye do community spread no. Yes, say we see je wuti we misro. Etoda na kule. Mimi ye program na kule jina me so a. Kule is supposed to help as a producer so na me ne preso and na so that ye say because misro no. Who so misro? Mo ka kire ye say e do community spread ne dia ene na ye hu. And we are there. Numbers no say ye si kono. Numbers no baby e kono ne ye hu poni o sije. Numbers no ne ye dia kire yen. Ni edi akire ya ni ye hu na ye yete ye ka mo eno kura na hu so one company ye whatever say figures amode ba ye data ye amode ba ni ye no kura nipa 500 nipa 1 enya yade ni bi ene watumi dia man nipa 500 so say ye fese nipa gine ye ka no edi say asema ye kan ehu a na se wujai na mokoko tena TV so kwotena nkosi nkonwa ebe yese na we wiem na and so what we wiem and so what we don't need mummy anhwe kwanya ye befa so na se sei enwuma mu from nano and some Dr. Bedusa Akwadia Kaye, from Dr. Patrickuma Kaye, from minister and some of Kenny say human. Afuna ye som send ye sit here enti no yen hwe no ne anya won hyehye ye nim sa aba no constitution o mayimra kun ne de ye adwuma no constitution ya nto aba no a enye yie constitutional crisis na beba but ye mumma yen hwe ntoto niema bi ansa na samo ba so na mbe kansem na cha we mo meka samo a ye cha say yaso CJ ye pese ye tibibia enye we be wiem na we be yesei na we be yesei eno de yate abre from 1992 we be wiem no yate afibia we wiem o me na CJ nyabote me na wo hu sa abre no me kona me kwotwe no na wo radio kitwa bi nesi na so uduru wono mo say me do am say maybe una say na cause akwa na wiem mina na to enu ono wan ko school
why na wiem
na mabisa no ehwan na wiem o se akwa akoko no we wiem akwa ye wiem na mabisa ansa na wo ye de na so we o se ade no ye bobo no na ba bi ekọ afedi ase enuma nyina to abani bi ama no wo hu from day one ye na nanom nyina so mo tin say ye wiem na ye wiem ni nyina so na at the end of the day ye hu ni onwe ne enti nano mamu mfasa wo be wiem no e me shift your attention from side we eni omo se na ya napko eni aye we enti ye de ye nsuro mu nsuro a ye se agro ne fam enti mu de ye say ye new register ne ye de beko say ye old register ne ye de beko
because 1.3 million egu school nti ye hia easy
ye den ya
babeboan ma ye wiem
register no say ye be ye registration limited one no see ye be ye ni den you still no enye old register and send yete ne de be ko nti no omumnya dede no ne yempe COVID-19 no ho asem
and ampe watchuma dwene asi asem bi so in fact and the main issue that you made so the issue of community spreader na ye kan ho asem ya Dr. Nsiasare asem o kan we need to go back and revisit it because if 10% of the population may be infected, and out of the 10% of the population, 80% may not show signs or symptoms at all. And 5% of them will be very ill. Now, numbers as you see a year drone. Not to say,
Wunim, near your campusian say, ya dear, she yade ehhehye ye ho wo yade bi wo ho ya me say diabetes ni hypertension ni yade bi emu aturu asthma ehhehye mo ho a wo na so wase obe survive no enti no nipa ebe so mo obe survive no ye ne immune system no eno no din a wotumi ene yade di okon ene wonu betumi se niema nke wose yadwene ho no CJ 3 days ago many doctors omugufie me sa COVID-19 we no ne aspect bia no me pesa me so hobby eni sika sam ne bibia na wonim say yadu community spread ye kan na wo beye ho ayi a enka ese ne ye hia ne say yadu sa bere no a doctor say ye adwuma nurse say ye adwuma ye hia mo enso wonim say from October last year nra me kan say from October last year doctors are wonum firam no ne wokwaje ntete wa me no ne no mo baaye wo baaye so be tre exams wo baaye si introduction fee esika ya jeje unim se so be ye internship wo kolibu ase ya utu $1,000 onu student no a waba no a won share
apprentice ye no
ansa na introduction fee yo betua ni nyina ewo ho no mo doctors ni titifie from last year October for it wo and omo so a omo aba recently omo so nke wo say omo ye omo nyina gufie
omo so gufie
yanya nhihye ye bia prepare say bibisia this is how ye ni doctors and nurses ni nipa na e wo fie ne be ye adwuma se bibisia enwuma mu san na niema beko ne ye tia ne say sa 600,000 anasa say sika na say 600 million stimulus package na ye say ye de ma no
ye de ma SMEs
eno ne ate wuti SMEs no so ne guta for mo sika no se ye ka se ye cha 2000 kura na say
anhwa obinya
anhwa obinya se ye se ye be cha ma obi anya bia
because you need data
enti no aniema ehia wo say ye fa yade we hu no ewo mu ane abe press conference ni aka bi is good mumma ye hu update no say na ekọ but ade na spread hwe oboase de ye si CJ oboase hye ase with their number hi no maduro Shankran say nkran ya yeti ati se ahafo say ahafo Bono region for crowd or Moswati or Modie, Etiaka Hafo, and Rano Mosebako, so meaning
two regions and 3 regions.
Bono East, Savannah region, and I have for so the and said then ya confirmation.
It's 3 regions. Ah, I'm recording case beer. And no crano, ye mu or my take samples beer, and was a Yehunina, anti community spread in the dear, CJ we are there. And a Nipano so I wouldn't your more cancer no, but on Nipa bi catch us a media minyin nisa yade ne wo ho media minyin nisa yade ne wo ho enti no education no wo say ye manipa no say it's true say ni ebi kan say moma ye hu nipa na enya yade ne CJ say me nya yade bi na wo de me beto abonte a stigmatization so asset in enti education e wo say ye ekofom emu obi ate say ade na ehu no because idea we free wa me nka nkyere me maame aminim se maame wo pressure say enu akona ko nyina ho na kokoto aba me nka nkyere no ma onkompo me nka nkyere mbusuani bi oyare say ebra so nti kona koto aba wa abra minim se onya yade ni bi obewuo dabi enti no onbehwe ame aye ne ehia ne ewi aye ne fata omumi anya ne sa enya sa de a ya yete ye adwen se ebedi omachi wo enema na nro mo sha ase gragragragra na omo ye no ho so ma sha ase se ndie se ya ne amompa ya omde ebekọ no a na yare no so atwetwe yebo ma nga o ma no so na me ne honorable Yaboabia Samoa oye director of communications for the MPP me ne no entwetwe enkomo na about me nka ne mo akwaba
yeah me to nka pa
oh me to nka che
me te won kan so se studio ho mo nya pede mo maye nyamo ye manyo semu nkukumu me te mo ase dodo
honorable wa wo hwe se na ya de be ekukuru koyi a afedie voters register and we person wo wiemu and we ye say and te say amanyo fo mpese anya den honorable
oni ma men kan play ewi ase it is a trotro driver me boa
no correct
the bia ni pa bebo chinku bia o mu didwa o mu tu kwan o mu wo baabi o mu timi kase mi kuru ni no sebi driver ni no ejina the other kuru na no eye krokitwa ayo hene abusuan na denisi eye kesia na se ukono kedima minka bi se de Kenya eye mra na kire ni pa obeda no ezo bi nda no a ka no into o my way no eye mra mai constitution e de tiano se bi na nadu onti ho ni peso onti ho abusuan oti ho mra na kire ni se sa pempensui ye de wasi ha na mmom ye de wasi ho no ebiri bi bedura obre beso se e beto awso ana ibesi ufom ejina hra nti de ye no sebi eyemra nti nka menya nka neya ya de ya tiasi mu ya ekoi nka ye MPP de ya manyo sem ya ne ya ye no ho adwuma ya manyo sem ya be ya ne ya de no ho adwuma se ya de no ho adwuma no eso kire bibia ne ya manyo sem so kire se enipa no da no no sebi mra na de ni besi ho se onwen yen wombo ye ho ban onhwe yiye nanso adwuma so na wo ye yi chi no embiri bi bedua emra kwan so e wo si bi kase ye to awso ana yi fi ufom e kwan ba ko fe ene ye kasa ye to aba chiri ye buyu ene chiri ye buyi ndinka ye MPP die ke benya sa de we kwan kemma
na se NDC fo na atwetwe ko ho anamboa
fedi ye kita ko no ada dipete se sha asie no NDC fo na yo mo se sebi ye amanyo sem chese de bia no ye ti president nkan so mu nya kwan me nti o mo nka nti o mo sha asie no o mo ye ni se owura jo mama o mo de sebi o mo mra se bi jo fo ni sha asie de bia ban be ye bia o mo ni so na o se nka ban ye ni sei nka ko fan crofo free China bra sebi ye beti o mo nka se o mo nso o mo kondo so mbebo kuro no ho ban enso ni o mo na ti aban ya gitu mu fefefe ya no mu di nkika actually no me na say o mu mampani wo ko chiche aduane no me aduane hu no because was wakoti covid just what tia buying from you so no so na nia be say wo tu sa wo yade so say yade na yi na ye nia be and so person yet in kenti wo ye bibi afa yade no edu ba bi no afedie opeso o dia de boss na wa ha asie kasa kire mai no osore no wa twe pono ati ho no di frank ati na chi no kasa ni na no kan say fi nenso ebiom de fan na ne die anoshi
honorable I been back on me misao everybody in common ankasa so but as a focused government say modi bibia simani so would you allow the minority to drag you into adwuma modi asimani so say we dia omo yahwe kra yesi yade no na yade asi ani so nia minor and opposition beka bia no nya de ebetie it means that you are not focused honorable
nyamie it was a very very difficult decision mankana meboa okay say edisi ye ma mpanyi abedi akire okuru ni mba omia ekasai ebe o kasai no Ghana fu pi ka se unyaya nka wanka oje no akomapem se monfa nche ni enkunkwa yemi enti saa nhihye ni nyina ye ni da so se afi de o ma no adwo aye kwa yemi na enrade no se o yonku begina impie so akachi wiase afa na nyina se o ye fromfo wawia ade enye no kwe na ade na wo ka se wawia no nso no eya ade ye mra kwan so a se de tie bia pa no twa no se me ka ye no ye mra kuro yi de bibibesi na wa nkasa kura sabi Jerry enye wo nko na wo kurom ha wo tie ade na siwo me na ba bi titecheduma sia wonu de anhwa de da obeti no ene odi kwa asumu na beye ne nwanwa se ne nana etinkran no ni aban akwa apam se obo bebo Ghana kro no kokromoti kro no na manya no se enye no kura ni ambashi no baby on the fire ne de na ken e o si ya no asemom kan no eye atrokesie eye bosirim kakesie eye bosirim ka bia o ma hyeda se o mo ya Ghana be pusu na se tiasia anya djuma wanyiwa no na Ghana pusu a ekobo ni wiana na afi wo beka tede bi
okay tira se eno na mama ya madwene se wo mo wia mo de no a kwan bia so mo be reply that's how come we had both press conference
yeti nka se baby o mo de fa no ni ehunu si ya amoa ye ho anhia on kwan so a be hayen enye de bia na o ti se sebi wo mo ye bibisa yetimi gina so ye na so hwa putupuru na yesi entai sisa
okay
na we no ho mpupoye no ededi sa no na wo se yigina ye na so ntem na make say na nya de a ye fa no boko so enye hwe ye nkoye bi o mu ye bi nti ye nkoye bi enye yesubanya
okay ona
yesubanya so o mu ye nti ye na emom no ekwan o mu fa so ensem o mu kaaye ensem kese a mu ka de didi sebe oman ahye yensa ase eye NI abaya hye ya NDC for or NPP for ya baye no ye mpa yo ye djuma NI NDC for or NPP for
okay honorable IB ye beba the substance of in 7 1 but minia Sami Jemfi National Communication Officer of the NDC so abeka ye ho ahoma no so mama na kwa ba na fe yen chance yen free wo mo nsam wo mo rezi ye no and then I can come back to you
yari mama na no peisa mama na ni Sami Jemfi ntoto mane Sami de mi hia wade no ho na mi nto anamon echi no ye nyakwan ni na betra de mo aye anopai no bia peso otie yen kakra no na entutu mane de ni so anopai yari me sira
sane be ya nkomo no ani beda ho
honorable IB Mr. for say wo pese mi ni obi ya no na adaji wo ho a meba na wo mfra mi nyina ahoma so nkase wa fro obi fofo say me ne meto mane
so long as I sit here enya to mane we can na asem we wi a we so aka ne de na fe eda mu nyina akwa enya to mane
ka o ka wi a mo mfra mi obi bi ka mo ma me nka mi wi a mo mfra no
meba chawo
misro pa
honorable IB wo be gina so ama me na ya sadie wadaroma misrawo with all due respect Why?
Thank
you very much. Sammy,
Ni some ko ni nso me.
Yes, CJ.
Adwuma yɛ ni o. Sami apom bɔkɔ de.
Onyame adom.
Yɛde nyame ate. Well, I'm not raising issues as to niamahu a pointing to the fact say aban epese will reggae this year's election. What are your issues, Sammy?
Epacho, more than regional so kaka and yenua okasama MPP nana nugusua okasa. I think it wouldn't spoil anything if you allow him to finish like he's asked you. Senebeya you between a kind Senebeya at least any banter. So
now, Sammy, I have given you
you've placed him on the line for a long time. It is only fair that he complaining that it is not necessary for us to have any banter on the issue.
Okay.
Then after that we can talk.
Okay. So from my production team, and this is the decision. Good. Wadaruma, production team any decision. Say remember where we are. Na fe mene Samin so atwaso. Are you okay with that? Okay, so more issues. I'm raising just after NDC4 press conference. Na fe mama kwan na fe also Fatuja. You are asking what is in this current register ntia NDC4 Esro say MIN Sano amongst other things. Honorable IB.
Me pese mu Ghana fotie yen pini emma NDC emfa efichiri emehye enkomoda da na covid mbaye ase me kam yati ase pa ndam si minya daje me ya no enya afi na NDC for be che register na fasi ha yen ya trasa ankomo no ya trasa ankomo no che se ansa na covid ibeba de na edi him Ghana ha MPP NDC register ena na edi him yes mo if you 2012 ni pre-register mo no si chinchini a that no 2012 said the animal gu ase no ye ko Supreme Court ye busaye na aye bloated ye nyina ye kaya farijan o CD pakro chrom diama no ne ebro 500,000 okobae no 700 okofa bae oko double names kura ne wo register no ye 2012 na si aye bloated ye di sa ankomo no ama ye si opposition yesi ye foforo yaba abamu yesi ye foforo ye position no ejina de ejina ye nsesaaye ya no dem pepepe na emom no sa ankomo no the NDC for also mti ase ne se enye nkomo a obetimi atwa covid abo na wabedi sa ankomo no atsa nkomo na sesa che se covid asesa bibia ama sa ankomo no omudi ni wo ho no se obi bebiem na ayetitile nkomo enti die nkomo na edi ehim sese nkomo edi ehim sese ne se emra kwaso said ye tie bia December 7 2020 e was here to aba ya anto aba said January 2021 asemo ebesi no eni enyan obi beka se na eni ade na montra se na de ebesi bia na nsi na covid ankwe eno ena wo si busa ye ho covid yimu ya asesa ya bra ntimi nya hwi MPP ntimi nya ye primary ntimi nya hwi amanyo papia ntimi moche nkui edi kwan ye be faso ye beto aba 2020 December ebe bo nipa no ho banya ya de ni ntiatese. That is the only question on the table. Na sa asembisa no e wo se ye nyina ye si ya amanyofo ni nyina ye dum isi ema isi kwan ema isi dwini na wotini ye nhihye ya isi betimi abekire ye nse kwan se ni mefa so abo obia ho ban se be ya abato no be ya akono se mo start mu program na mo ka no abato ro kwa ye be ba na enya akono se mekwa akọ to santene mayare die na obeka che Ghana ni se wo mra nhihye ni se bo modern ato aba December 2020 na ubetimi ato aba December 2020 I was say ne isi ye ohun adwuma na nipa ne yemu nhihye ni se isi ye ne ho adwuma yale ebeka no asemba akopede dapono so wo firi ho kwa enkomoda da se register mo no se register dada ni nyina nipa ho adwuma ni nyina bebo chenku e se dada no de ya e wo so otwe enipa 1.2 million din share register no saa nipa 1.2 million no sabi obaka so me 1.2 million penti mo bayana uria e wo so ye exhibition na nipa 12 or 13 million na wo register na so sei no omo so behwe saa ampa so omu din wo ho a na saa nipa no omo behwe register na mo bayana eno nti se dada se munu obebo nipa ho ban abo ho ka enti kwan ya obefa so abo nipa 1 million ho ban no saa kwan na obetini afa abo 2 million ho ban
okay anamari
e wasi ejai isi na wotimi kire yen se bo so mi nsianse num ya akai e kwan be na ebefa so ye nyina ye de adwempa ebeboa ama ye mra pon na bam se December wasi eto aba na ye tata isi ye mani nye nhyiamu ye bon wo ye krono ye bon din boni ni ade a ide na sumdie na ba ma san hyehyeye no aba en na ye gina bre nti ye de isi be ye bia obetinya boni pa ho ban so me ye 1 million so me ye 10 million na ye timi asiesi ye ho atimi atwere din akoto aba boni bia nka obia nkoto covid edua mu no isi timi ye foaso ye be di akiri Insulushi.
Okay.
Every kuninbie na eba no. Enyina register na so. Ejina ye dwuma pa ya yeso. Ejina kora ya kora man no. Ejina kandie sunonko. Akandie kukuduru a ye nya ye de ahwe man no so.
Okay.
Enyina sebe fude ne fichire. Amamuso. Ye ejina bre no.
Okay.
Ejina bre no.
Honorable Ibi, my next question will be Ghana card no on account there who will be?
Yeah, the parliament, Omujo, Manumsa, Womumpe, Omukakacha, Omunko for some woman, you know. And when you want to make me a media. And then what you was a Wunko for your Ghana card. And so Ghana card, Iba, Mumpe.
But and Honorable Ahmed Banda, raise issues about a Juma NIA for 1 year. And Kwanya deliberately, according to him, share registration as a one kind. Nanka ne papa mu anka efin kan ya nanka ebia ye kwa central na say eastern region nanka ye de kwasoro ho na esanse mo pese mo ye registration no mo hyase every strongholds of the NDC enti mo hyase efin kan na mo ma mo so ekoto aso every atifi no mantem se na be yanka kran be duru mo strongholds no na yakran fidie fufuro de aba am betimi de register ni padodo no a in your favor
oni bibia fe na nansisem Kwakwa Nancy NDC amanyon Kwakwa Nancy sem na omoto no tabi ombeka che ose NIA na nadu dan kwakufuado ne dano NIA tuka na nadu dan kwakufuado na edroba NIA faha na nadu dan kwa ne ti sebe ya obi na mi asiri adwuma kase adwuma so na wo ye no no kwotwere din ne ato aba ama no abra wonye adwuma bia ye da chi nyina ne se na nadu na ye NIA na watu no boatena asiase tia hu se ahade ofa ha NDC fo mienu pe na hade NPP fodu na wo beto aba nti abato enu ano no tadu ano no dia anko mu tia ban mu a 2012 register na ye o mu dia no a o mu si chinchini a mi ensesa no ye de koto aba no 2012 wo mu wie mu no ye ko Supreme Court ema Supreme Court ka che ense abato no enyina electoral commission so enyina register no so ejina wankasa omodin bo e o polling station so to Ghana fo jina afo na Ghana fo go home no mse afi ni ati agronat inti 2016 no na register ni ye ni nye ho almost na net yabam inti omko chini di register na fa he 2016 ye hu and na he fa no de fa 2012 ni ye hu e de na ye register mu a and then chinchini a just say register ni ye hu as a 2016 no yen ye juma ye pe assembly catch Ghana for e ma to Ghana for team no mu gina simpi so ate o mu sa hwewi mu se hwe o mu bo hwere ma ye juma ye kan asema ne to Ghana for team wi ye no ye betna police station ehwenye e ma ye ni ko ho se the Supreme Court hwere ye no se wo bo wo ye wadwuma ye wo police station e kika won kunta bo ho a bibia si ani sa na ye ye bu nkunta no say you know aye dia
okay
and nebuso mo national chairman no ye ishiamu no say sabri no na ye director of elections busa ne nkunta omanya nkunta bia omde mani to so ya bohwere mawie ya tu sika petimu nti electoral commission awie bibia electoral commission Supreme Court akache say omunu yabam wodi wani to omso so mbi yabam mama on sabesi fom and untina register one more no sa register na be your mompna 2012 register na NDC mpna register na chinchinia gise no yetimi di nkunim eburu 1 million votes 2 omafi Ghana for no 2 omo no e no ya o omo renfi
okay
no masa akofa sa nipa no ene mo se nipa na tente vote ya neto wontimi nya adwuma no that's wontimi nya adwuma no chinchinia mo amuti opposition yenya amoma nse ekuru no if the nipa na makofa aba no wontimi nya adwuma o twa mo ho a se ma anya de pedia ejabetom ma anya de pedia ya be hikuro no ma anya de pedia moja be hwiagu enti yenta ho ma NDC fo nse ekuru no to mo nkwa na ye bema yenta ho ma NDC fo nya de o mo pe se chinchinia register abranko mo nkwa yedi nkwa womo ntiase ana womo hyeda ye womo biensi womo ntiase
medase
nipa na omde ne ba no nkugu no omde bedi
okay ana mo abi ma mendo wase se na wa onim no moye mienu deda na wate ase se enya dia open the banter enti waka asem wi a ya de besi medase pi why bi medase sami
Amina
yeah sami medase se wagina so in fact wagina so acha kakra but ma membra wo ho MPP before say they don't need the electoral commission to win an election or to rig an election. One man ye Juma Ghana for nyina di adanse say adwuma o ma ye no ayade on bedin kunim automatic enti wo mu hia easy omo de nkura ba ye over 1.3 million egu school adwuma o ma ye o ma bo bebre enti Ghana for no na beto abade amomo enti all this noise you are making about voters register na ye ni ade ni nyina no it's neither here nor there. Sami
see me das na menchia atifu nina Midina Homana Swami tie the MPP Communications Director Ekam asamu ami biza me hono se nti MPP for omanum na keka omuntia omaba abonten ebe ka asem we bia na se nko man kebia gade na nke ebeba because you mu kan nyina na ye mogo asa ye press conference na ye no kra no no mo paper o mo ho akwa ye counter press conference you know man tie and o mo akwa set your questions and o mo de o mo answers a emfa kwamu na ene nsemu a ye dia tudwa no eni twaka bia o mo de aba abonte enti nsemu a ya bo abia nsemu a de bibi for kekakekei why no more respond to what are they responding to? What are they responding to? Some more can so far so saying. Who is even disputing those issues? So, Obia Babonte, the data, facts and figures, empirical evidence, Abekasa. I wouldn't be can Kawanutum Kasa by force. And yet Bibiana wasn't would defend it. Kawanutum go and study what we have put out. Now who will respond to be what ya ba? Who say you dim come? Na dey baby omo na media. Eye mogo etie for fanche omo. But what is the issue? Asem wa ye kan nyina ne say. NI a kenete for one down. E say o mampenye kufuado officer say. EC a Jimensa ene down. Omo ka bom say 2020 about one da ye nim no. Omu be wiem e dia mo mampenye kufuado na se wo tie ni a fa wen bi sia wo ye to nchen fa wen pipi a wo ye to nchen fa wo peti a wo to nchen na wo die tie nchirichiri mu amede be se nto asumu a CNDC hu se to asumu na ye nyina ye dwen oman ne ho ne ye pese abato e da ye nimi pere yo ye adwuma na abato ni mu da ho na eye free fair transparent se na be ye chinyagi dia ma results no ho a na ye nyina ya ka no krewu CJ ya sem de say ya sem we dikan and say in 2018 Mamiji Mensa komra se bedwem e ho na Ghana for ya na msifo nyina wo during the budget year and ye bisa ne say madam Ghana card ya NIA for saturday eyi me pa macho ye begina so dia twere din e dia to aba 2020 na asem wa Jimensa ni isi for ka kire ma se bigafo ne say 2020 abato na ye beto no Ghana card en ka ho na Ghana card body say easy for be dwen ho say ye de be ya abato okra na e be ye 2024 enti easy di omo date omo de be ye adwuma enti enya de a Ghana card party 2020 abato ye de ba be ye adwuma enye me na me kan ye eye dimensa woda easy ano e ne kan na se bedwo. Number 1. Number 2, Nancy ba who say, oh, yeah, new voters register. Sana na easy foka. And I yasu yani CSUs bebre. Ekas oh, Ghana, you register and what say na there no say I am kwado. And the new voters register, oh yeah, yes advance your arguments. So be kaya easy for omo IT experts no omo ye PowerPoint presentation bi. Say technical reasons why here Ghana here new voters register. We hear documents no we share some trophy be a presentation of we share CSUs a presentation ma omo and no mo dia your arguments nyina my job online ko publish sa technical document no CJ ye show say wo kai so wo check sa technical document ni mu a easy for na nkasa bisa omo question people say ye ba be ye new register na data na e wo ho dada chese omo a e wo mu din dada e wa abato omo manimu no ya to ni nyina twene na ya sanso atwere ne foforo na e yampa na enyampa e no omo ankasa ma answer say enyampa na new register no mo pese omo ye no omo wo ya ye di wo abato omo manimu no ye data dada enu ntino se wudi wa abato omo manimu a de wose wo ya ne se wo de wo existing voters ID card be ko be bia ye twere di no se ye hwe wo existing voters ID card ne so a ye be wu biological data nyina o ma me de sen o papa de sen o te he na ni nyina no ye de chef die nim biem na u data ye be take no foforo e your fingerprint because I no mo ntumi transport into the new system. I don't know more can take key be that so mu password na de keka ho no vendor locking na ya sans we twa ufoni wo wani ne de no na ye facial recognition see je me pa cho on kai sa asem we. Hello
Sami mi tio pa
me pa on kai sa asem we are easy for kan. Okay, and look for more technical documents now it is there and your case is so pisse they will use the existing register the existing voters ID card or mon tonchene udi wo mu a just present it or biological data intact your facial recognition any fingerprint into system no kwa be fast. Okay, see the way they wo ye de ni se coronavirus aba tie nyina ye boa hwe kwan a ye betumi afa so afa no promesibele yan kwoti a easy for the mrafo for CI akomra se bedwam ya mo political party bi amane ya ni obi ane ho ama IPAC ni wali wo Ghana bakosemu etore bi afarija penso ni Charlotte Sem penso CI ne komra se bedwam a ye te committee NPP for NDC for other small parties for na ye nyina ya dwen ho draft ya die enti abekọ parliament no etinya die bia ne den ema ho we die ya nyo obi ade nkire ya mo obi amane ya fasuma se de akọ parliament e ko do parliament no so no ye wo bibia e fa no pre-laying se CI enya komra se bedwam ne ye layer parliament fo ntimi nyi bi firi mo ntimi fa bi nka ho enti pempi no omudi kan de call parliamentary committee on subsidiary legislation omune nimu mranimu na se mistakes bi wo mu a o makra no kwa ansa na ya le because unya le we are you too late you can't correct anything I guess I want to draw we there parliamentary committee on subsidiary legislation no kwa e ho so anko enti ya tie ah dey na wo mra yi mu a ma me ji mensa ni panyifo person body sie yenti a IPAC political party omo amoya mane se ye de mra foforo ekọ mra se bedwam ena ye kodo so mra nim tie pontie mi yo ye ko hwe mra nim a Ghana card na easy for se yan fan to about 2020 no ye de akọ hwe mra nim Easy for say, yeah, baby, new register. Now, why open new card? No, and card time you do pet and I'll bet you media by a chance away a gun and you'll bet you. And card time you don't need Ghana card. Yet also you know, and now passport. Now, the only Ghana card, only passport. Mami Jimenez say, I just say, Oko Bia or no register for new card, maybe. No, a guarantee amount. Nipa mi no more guarantee amount. And now compare commissioner of oath and a magistrate will crow. Now what swear affidavit. And you say that braka. He said, "Yamaya many ada too much because they kind. Who say Ghana card here found to in 2022? The other same than more a day. The atosu mi enu Ghana card. Nipa do say ne wobi. Passport. Nipa do say ne wobi. Birth certificate, I don't know Ghana for the na wobi no. What is birth certificate? But Ghana ha yenim sana ubenya passport unya birth cert. Ansana ubenya Ghana card unya birth cert. It is today and a Ghana card or the birth cert ne koje. And no dia mo dia sembre nim. Passport or the birth cert ne koje mo dia sembre nim. Birth cert dia wo se wonye. It's today na voters ID card. Wa wo isi wo na wo ye. And only at 2012 Idom Mahama, 2016 year man penye kufuado. Yet there 4 assembly elections near Sa Edia referendum at creative regions. Wow card, I will say you must say. So we may new register we will use it, whether limited or new register, we will use it. And then when the existing voters ID a free list anymore. Abragana how will be any to open card and nipa do part a voters ID. And ye can't say we ain't mubia. Na ya trust ya ye review mo we say the wo ye no. E ya ba for no mo so bo wie na me ma menkyere wo di ntia. Hwe Ghana card a ye ka ho asem no. E na yefo na nkasa review mu ne say o data ne say nipa there's 17.3 million. And o ma di 18 years and above wa. E won say ye twere o mu din na o mu nya Ghana card 17 million or the emphasis 18 years and above. And pay nipa do a o ma twere o mu din o mu work card nipi no. O mu ye 6.5 million. O mu ye 18 years and above. Because o ma twere o mu nya card near be 7 million. But what say 15, 16, 17 years ni fi mu a o mu nya 18 years and above o mu timi to aba and o mu work Ghana card o mu ye 6.5 million. Meanwhile o mu do e 17 million ni actually. It gets over 10 million people are 18 years and above.
Okay, but Sami on no Mechie Professor Tifa and Ranumre on Omo register and Swamon Sanka on card and no Chimu say cards no obi our register be on the card are ready. Nanka and yet COVID-19 yeah. And they are going back to the field. Najuma for come back to the field. Meba Sami. Akwachiche obia my card biano they will be back to be a register you know na wabejo card empo se registration ni twamua at all NIA district offices one bega cards no ho enti one register na bia wuja ho tu kwan a obeba no na card no ho enti hu say explanation no answer sa issues here mo raise here
okay anajo man asem.
Oh,
they all can another man asem.
And more accusing good.
What the 3 years and I Ghana card registration? Who catch a Ghana card? No more in 1 year. Or my penny who got to pay Ghana card in 2017. Catch in 1 year Ghana Nibia Benabi. But I take it 3 years and over. Only 6.5 million. Out of a population of 19 million, that is 15 years and above, and Omenia card nibi. This is your mobile started actually the next month, June. Your coronavirus in Brimu. Restrictions required in new fuel. At the 3 years, 6.5 million pen almost aka omodiano. Okay, now what about one abosomi back over the time at 10 million. Now we it was common sense. We are your common sense. You can do it. ABM, nipa 10 million, 10, in fact, 10.6 million, or 18 years and above, we card million. ɛnyɛ ɔmo nyinaa ne atwerɛ ɔmo din a ɔmo twɛn ɔmo card so ɔmo nya card ebi mu wɔ hɔ a yɛntwerɛ ɔmo din koraa. Let me explain it to you. 19 million, you can't say 19 million people, no more 15 years and above, so for much 11 million. And what is free more 11 million minus 19 million? You have 8 million people, and 11 million no much no. It was 6.5 million per and almost a card. Almost 18 years and above. What the 15 years and above on the crack one 7 million. Into out of 11 million, 4 million so any card. Into 4 million na ye on for or more chain on my card. So what about the gap between 11 million and 19 million now? Almost the yenchere obudi crowd, almost you better obudi that on my card. And the arguments now, no please among one will be confused. But some of us, research, we know what we are talking about. Very important.
But
so Ghana card no, Nipa the Ghana card is not available because over 10.6 million people are. Omo wakwan say omo to aba omo nibi 10.6 na ebi mu wa. O ma twere omudin bet card dem mai ebi mu so wo ha ye twere omudin kra enti na wuja best setter obi awo bi no ho wuja voters ID card ani parodo ni nyina wo bi na wo se Ghana card I know NIA ya wo ka kire se wo mfa enye 2020 abato eno na ye mfa mra metwere yidi in new register when you know say card ni nya available passport ni pe wo bi wo Ghana just 2 million. And so the pay was here more to about this year 17 million. You see, then I will use passport. Ghana, any part of the passport. Now, also where you driver's license a free, where you birth set a free, where you voted ID card and only had to Abama who for the by over 1 million votes. If for one Casamos here credible and saying you have to Abba a assembly members unit committee for where you are not free. I prefer another institution there. That institution in the Ghana card on one card, young can be. Person be we have way common sense. Will you do that?
Well,
and I said, even Ghana card no more no. And my book actually you know oh young fan to aba ye dream free one. Now wouldn't say a better bentin. Even Ghana card no kwano. Said I ye don't do MPP stronghold. And I'm we a crazy NDC stronghold. Media and I for say Ghana card almost the same time. Obu voter regional NDC stronghold. Obuko voter region omu di mfidie 900 ne koye 900 e ko so mo de ko trading na yankofo no timi ko di lies omo pega na card ebi mo da ho da ba ko da miero da miensa elu so da no de abufu okọ na kurasi a omedi omu free ho a omo ne na ne namuko upper east upper west NDC strongholds Master, upper east and upper west as I'm talking to you 93% of the population in the Ghana card. Or more, I also want to about Upper East and Upper West. More than 93% of the Ghana card. This is NDC stronghold.
Okay.
Or we do Ashanti region, I NPP stronghold. Now would you feed 5,000? They said your voter region for the Nipa. Upper East, Upper West for the Nipa. The moment feed 900. You could do Ashanti region 5,000 in Fidian Yadiko trading. And now what the trading is only now watching you know home. Yet there are millions of people do the same thing in Eastern region. To the sense that coronavirus also crowd almost of trading. Now why is that we ama over NDC stronghold? Nipa ka credit pen na Ghana card no. But NDC stronghold nipa de bria. Person will be we have bemua. Will you want us to use this Ghana card to do voters register?
Okay.
Where are your common sense?
Okay.
I'm sending in an say. Ye pese abato ni mu da ho MPP for so ma ye adwuma o ma manipa be 100,000 o de yan kan say 1 million ko ma mo adwuma obi a ne o mo nkonto kwa o mti to abia wo Ghana ha o mo be rene ne hands down ye ni problem enti yan kwato aba no fenchen obi anwiem say ye the voters ID card to aba eyi president Kufuado voters ID card is if work and say you over your limited registration, new register, you give free who will be able to present it. Best said, you started saying you trade deal with one, they be under your crime amount for present your birth certificate. identify almost all your Ghana for. Now, also be a new register. Say new register, say limited registration. You go to a year one. But oh yeah, what the best register now? See, I still say Ghana need you a only passport, only Ghana card.
Okay.
So the best set by you training. Only passport, only Ghana card, or the existing voters ID card by you training. Oh yes, sir. Obiani woni problem.
Sammy.
Now what will be you start for in a film? Omonko we commissioner of vote and omonko po bi man guarantee mo ho. Masa. O person woman difficult for more people to register. Okay. In the long run,
okay,
you will disenfranchise them. Yet they have an inalienable right, the right to vote under Article 42. And the year about to run our person will win. And I can MPP for say another position. Debate.
Okay, somebody can see.
Mamu data region by region. Say Ghana card would be 900 and a co-voter region more than 5,000. Ako Ashanti region. Munchile muni say.
Okay. Okay, Sammy.
Upper West, Upper East, more than 93% of the population did Omuni card. Yabwa. Samosi Yabwa. What about data bra? Na maybe amone na na ya mo kikekike. MPP for mechanical Ghana for say who birth certificate a wonya Ghana ni. Who voters register wonya Ghana ni.
Sami Jefi
justify the exclusion of
Sami Jefi
you're right.
Me da say Sami my offense ya prepare me I mean we bit me to on another platform. Me da say Sami Jefi is the national communications officer of the NDC. And meneno atwetwen koma. Well, on to some of your comments on Facebook. Nipadodo na hwe Facebook. We say okay. SC Esther or CJ. Sami Jefi is not ready to finish, so allow him to talk. That's why you called him. Okay, AC Medase. Kingsley Afo say hello. On this Ghana card, can you please ask the authorities when April salary will be coming? Oh. Kingsley. Honestly, yeah. Ya can Ghana card as no bisa say na be na April.
We are so bia we here no CJ. Obia we here no.
Idris Zakari, I say you people are talking about new voters register when Corona has taken over everything in Ghana. You guys should have been talking about what will we do to minimize the increase of coronavirus. And Idris Zakari, the Abba-ish White. I'll say only MPP will say when we already data for years. We munao papa. Jeff Williams. I'll say Sami Jefi, tell us why NDC is ignoring new voters register. How can new generation vote without register? And Jeff Williams and so Ediaba. Okay.
Abanti yaba. CJ the Ghanaian Times tell one Minister ya washapo muden so say sa wonhye nose mask ni bia men kasa men sere men mowa adwum kora de ne no wase no men todwum sa de ni bi nhya wano a enkasa ensere entodwum wo de nantesa ye mum na kɔ if says na chese onipa kora wa agye so nya nipa a wo bekum nipa ene yesese wo hansi a enyi wo bogwa enyi
Bogum
ye bibia gum ade ne sa na wo se ye hye no eti na the Ghanaian Times the ho education bi aba ana soafo
anim ho nche ho no me eye pa
ya cheche ne kama soafo a wo hwe wo mayi ensrahwe nsem so se mu amubo sese mu ko bie bi aba na so unim na nipa kro bie no wo chew se kwia edie ni ani na aye wo eti chinada CJ dey what's up baby Abranti we.
Sorry.
Abranti we.
Madam for you say. Osi news na buy no. Statement na no pa de no. E no won wo kenkan ye. Madam say anyumre de.
Anyumre de wo kenkan.
Njo de na pa de na.
Abranti bi wo me potem ho. Anapa de ne ba ya no okọ cafe ya no photocopy.
That's right.
No the farm na tade am say.
And you person che say what kwasi adimande no
but
one minister eti ne di kan ba say monnom na mammo no no mo
abrante no akata ne bonata de ko gina drinking spot echi obom wafa biem na
ni ba na ton san branya
lovely
o se fe na o de o di abraham o so na boma ta de mu no
eti minister ne de na me kana no pende mo nya ma di se
amamfa ho chire wo mu
PMs PMs me wonam no kasa me se PMs ya tum
me se de nkrofo kan na
me se wonam no kasa me se PMs
abraham pa na da so yi
PMs fi o mu twi ho no
ya tum
anopa na ye twi ho afefe na ye wo ayi man kasa
na no me na manim ho me ni bo ha na se be in the house forever you me hwe obi anu maka me se akwa we PMC ebetum saa wo ezikuma fo na asese o magu o no
ezikuma
abi amame no ase na yemfa na yes
me sansa na meko no mame mani na ko happy birthday
and birthday
and then birthday nti that pampa me still shining
wow
nyamenshira no
happy birthday
my ever was na my right motos na poso wo mukra ya sene na fei Ideal Milk, Ghana's favorite milk, latex foam na fei Societe Generale SG Ghana, the future is you, Agbeve Herbal Center Madaroma and yede na poso yede ebrel come store na trance okumankra bakwa waka ensroja edura enyono